So I came across a YouTuber that said she got her 1K subscribers in just 2 days using this method. And I was like, hold up, wait. I'm going to try this out for myself and see how this works. So me, I gave myself 7 days instead of 2 days so that in case 2 days doesn't work, at least 7 days will work for me. So I decided to try this method to see if this is going to give me my 1K subscribers in at least 7 days. So I've concluded the 7 days and I'm here to tell you how this went, the good, the bad, and if this method is actually monetizable. Before I started this 7 days challenge that I went on, my channel was just zero. So I was at 0 subscribers. I only had one video, although I have unlisted the video now, so you might not see it because I opened this channel in February and I wanted to use this channel for my vlog, my daily life vlog. I posted a video there. It wasn't doing well for me, so I just left it. But before I started this challenge, I made sure I like unlisted that video and like rebranded this channel so that I'm going to see the real results from 0 subscribers to 1K subscribers in 7 days. So now here is a screenshot of my channel and analytics the day I started. I could have shown you the screenshot of my dashboard the day I started, but I kind of forgot to take a screenshot. So I had to go to my channel analytics and then screenshot the metrics for you guys to see. Now this is a screenshot of the metrics of the day I started up till today. Now this was like 7 days ago till today presently. Presently, I am at 1.6k subscribers. Now, here's my dashboard. I am at 1.6k subscribers. Now, all this happened just in 7 days. Within 7 days, guys, this is incredible. I won't lie. This is like really, really incredible. So basically, what she said in the video was, you go to shorts. You know that place they write short on YouTube. Now you go to short, then you look for a short that is doing well, that has millions of views and plenty likes, thousands or millions of likes. Then you click on the short, then you click on that place they wrote collab. You collab with the short. Now take notes, before collabing with the short, you take note of the title of the short because you are going to use that same title in your own collab title. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. The title of the short you're going to collab with, you're going to take note of it exactly the same way it is written, and you're going to take it and write it in your own collab, in your own shorts, exactly the same way it is written on that short that you're collabing with. So you take note of that, you collab. Basically, you don't need to do anything in that collab. It's just look for a good video that is going to do well for you. Then just react to it. Just make sure it's on mute. Mute your own side. Then you react to it. Just freestyle yourself. Nothing much. Then this is an example of something I did, like freestyling to a collab. Just freestyle, nothing much, and then you post it. I did this. This is just what I did for like 7 days. And she said you can do this for as much as 6 to 7 times a day to get your own subscribers. I even went to her comment section and people were like testifying that they did it. One lady said she got 30k subscribers, I think in just a day or 2 days too, doing this same method. That was when I said, no, I must really try it. I must really try it. So does this work? Definitely, this really works. Like, it really works. Just that there's a side to this. For you to make this work for you, there is a side to it, because I actually did that mistake. Because I believe if I didn't do this mistake, I would have gotten up to like 3k or more subscribers from this method. Now, the side to it is this. Yes, you can post as much as 6 to 7 videos a day while doing this method. But if you do a collab now and you post it and you notice that YouTube is taking that video for, like, YouTube is bringing that video out to people, like you are getting less and you're getting subscribers to it, don't do another one. Don't post another one. Just let that one continue until you see that it has died down, like the amount of subscribers you're getting is not much the way it used to be again. Like, it's not much, like it has reduced, before you can now do another shot. But if you see that the thing is still going up, it's still like you're still getting views, you're still getting likes, you're still getting subscribers, please don't do another one, because that was the mistake I did. I was just bombarding myself with video. The first 3 days I was like, every time I do like 6 videos, 7 videos. If the least I did was 5 videos, I think. So when I noticed that this was what was happening, I had to reduce. Like if I post one, I would wait and say, if YouTube is bringing it out to people, if it's going far, before I can now post another one. Now, this is just all to it. Now, does this work? Perfect, it works. It can give you your subscribers. It can help you build your channel. But I don't think this is monetizable, because I went a step further to check YouTube policies concerning this. Now they said, if you do this, like if you collab or you do remix, because collabs is all associated under remix in YouTube policy. If you remix or you do a collab, it's going to help you grow your channel. But everything you do here is going to be attributed to the original video, to the main owner of the video. So is this going to fetch you money? My honest opinion, I don't think so. But will this grow your channel? Perfect. This will grow your channel. So this is what I think about this method. Now that I've tried out these tips, I'm going to try another tips and come here and let you guys know how it works out, because this my channel is all about experimenting YouTube tips and tricks to see the one that works. Because to be honest, there is a lot of tips and tricks on these YouTube streets. We don't even know the one that is true and the one that is false anymore. So this my channel is just like is dedicated to trying out YouTube tips and tricks to see the one that works better. I'll try it out and come out here to tell you guys. Now, if you have any tips or you have any tricks you want me to try out, you can comment it under my comment section, and I'm going to try it out and let you know the verdict. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my other videos. Bye.